Today, we will create an amazing 5-minute AI video. And yes, all in just 5 minutes using one powerful prompt with a brand new advanced AI software. In this video, please watch the beginning part of this video.
Intrigued, Jacqueline took out her colored pencils and began to sketch a cute baby dragon with emerald scales and twinkling eyes. As the last stroke of her pencil touched the paper, a soft glow enveloped the notebook. To their astonishment, the dragon leaped from the page, flapping its tiny wings and letting out a playful chirp. They named the dragon Spark, and soon the trio became inseparable, exploring the enchanted woods and frolicking in the meadows. But their joy was short-lived. Whispers of an evil wizard named Malakar, who sought the magic notebook to harness its power, reached their ears. He was a shadowy figure, known for stealing the dreams
give you a complete course on how to generate videos longer than 5 minutes. Use trending visual styles like Ghibli, realistic, or anime access ChatGPT for unique story creation. Select from 800 plus realistic voiceovers. Add background music from 20 plus tracks or upload your own export videos without any watermark. I'll also show you how to create perfect audio, choose the best background music, and generate stunning visuals, all within one platform. The link to the website and software is in the description. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. First, go to the website imiphone.com. It's a great platform where you can create high-quality AI videos. Click on Try It Now, and the download will start automatically. Once downloaded, install the software. This software also works on Apple devices. After installation, it will open something like this on your screen. You'll also get some free credits, which allow you to create videos without paying. The software offers many useful options to help you make amazing AI videos. Science fiction, romantic story. Alice's story, the Snow Adventure Forest Adventure, Milo's Journey, the Robot Friend. When you click on Create New first to create a story, I will open ChatGPT and type this message. Write fantasy adventure story ideas for an 8-year-old boy and an 8-year-old girl. Give me 5 best stories shorts. ChatGPT will instantly generate 5 amazing short stories. It gives really creative and fun ideas. ChatGPT is the best website. After that, I will type, "Give me one best in this." And ChatGPT will pick the best one for me. Then I'll write in 2 lines, and it will rewrite the story in just 2 simple lines. Ready to use. Next step, click on Create New Video. Then choose the language you want. There are many options like Urdu, Hindi, and English. I will select English for my video. After that, choose the story style. I will select fantasy. In the section that says, "Who is the main character?" I will type, "An 8-year-old boy and an 8-year-old girl." After that, I will paste the 2-line story that I copied from ChatGPT. Once I paste it, the AI will automatically generate a full story. You can now see how amazing the story looks. It's really well made. Important. Watch the full video. I'll also explain how to add audio, add background music, edit the video, and much more. Now the story is ready and all the scenes have been generated beautifully. Everything is done in a very professional way. Next step. Now I'll select the video size. Choose 16, 9 and click on Apply. Then you'll see many different styles to choose from. I will select the Pixar style for my video. Now click on Start and the AI will begin generating images and animations. It might take a few moments, so be patient. This step is important. iMiphone Novi AI allows you to create complete AI videos with both visuals and audio. You simply enter your script or idea, and the software automatically generates the video, adds voiceover using AI, and syncs everything perfectly. It's an all-in-one tool for creating professional videos easily and quickly. Now you can see that the full story and images have been generated. Everything is ready. Now it's time to turn your images into a video. Just select one image at a time and click on the button Image to Animation. This will start creating the animated video from your image. Do exactly what I'm showing on the screen. Select the image. Click Image to Animation, and your video will start generating automatically. Repeat the same step for all images, and one by one, your animated scenes will be created. iMyFone Novi AI is an outstanding and intelligent AI video generator that allows users to create professional, high-quality videos with ease. This is how your video has started generating, and you can see the progress on the screen. To add voice, there's a second option called Voice. Click on it to see many different voice choices. You can even listen to each voice before selecting. Try a few and see which one sounds best.
As an organizer,
Personally,
I start
I
from
think
where
the
world
best
is.
voice is Donnie, so I will select that one. Then click on Generate, and the software will start creating the audio automatically. For background music, I will click on the Music section. There are many free tracks available in the software. I'll choose the one that sounds good and fits the story. Now I will convert the remaining images into animation as well,
The dusty
just
attic
like
of
before.
Jacqueline's grandmother.
Now you can see my entire video is ready.
Dragon with emerald
so-
scales and twinkling eyes. As the last stroke of her pencil touched the paper, a soft glow enveloped the notebook. To their astonishment, the dragon
Software has automatically created all the scenes for me, and everything looks great. You can preview and check each scene one by one. My video is now fully done. I will click on Export and save it to any folder on my computer. Thanks for watching. This tool makes video creation super easy and powerful. To buy a plan, first open the website. If you want to purchase, simply click on the Buy button. Here's what you'll see. The 1-month plan is only 67 cents per day, and you get 200 coins per day. If you want more coins monthly, there's a plan for $19.99 per month with higher limits. Features and tools. Generate videos longer than 5 minutes. Create with trending visual styles like Ghibli, realistic, or anime. Export videos without watermarks. Thanks for watching. Good luck for next time.